Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to manage your website content. Once you're logged into your admin console, just click on the Website tab. This first page lists all of our website content in its appropriate page, but I want to show you a feature that will let you edit your site content in an easy and intuitive environment. We'll use the first option on the submenu list, In-Context Editing. Now, if it's your first time using in-context editing, you have an option to view a tutorial. For now, I'll just click Start Editing. And as you can see, we're on what looks like the home page of your site. Using in-context editing, you won't have to worry about any HTML details. You can just enter the content just like you would in a normal word processor. Right now, our home page looks just like the home page that's out on the site, with the exception of a few dotted lines. Our in-context editing page does have this tool area up at the top, and it also has some additional information and buttons at the bottom. If I move my cursor over the main paragraph of the page content, I can click on the paragraph and then just start typing. There are some additional tools that you can use for formatting if you need to, but as you can see, it works just like a normal word processor. Now, of course, there are other parts to our page besides the content sections. As you roll your cursor over the page, you'll see a few pop-up panels, like this one up here on the menu, or one over here on our announcements list. The News Announcements pop-up has a link that will take us right to the Announcements module in the admin, which is where we made our changes in the last video. So as you can see, you can use in-context editing to get to your business data as well as your content. Now, when you're finished making your changes, just go down here to the bottom and click Save and Publish, and that's all there is to it. Now we can go right back out to our Site tab in the browser and reload the home page. Here we can see the changes that we just made, and they're already up and on the site. The in-context editor was easy to use for our home page, but you'll also want to make changes to the other pages on your site as well. For instance, let's make a change to the About page here. Now I'll just go back to the in-context editor in my admin console, and we can see we're right where we left it here on the home page. To move to another page, all you do is click on the links just as you would in your normal site. You can see that here in the in-context editor, all the links on the page will work just like they do out on the live site, so it'll be easy for you to find whatever content you want to change. In addition to the text tool set, there are two others you can use here. The first one is for editing images on your site. You can use this tool set to add a new image or make changes to an existing one. I can choose to add an image from another internet site, from my computer that I'm working on, or I can choose an image that's already uploaded to my site. I'll choose one from my computer. All I have to do is browse to the image and press Open, and the image is uploaded to the site and placed on the page. If you don't like the way it looks, you can click the Undo button here at the top. But if you like what you see, you can just hit Save and Publish just like before. And now we can go out to the site and reload the page to see how it looks. The third tool set in your in-context editor helps you to make links to other places in your site. Back over on the home page, I've mentioned my new blog here at the bottom. So let's set up a link that takes our customers right to the blog from here. I'll select the text and then choose something to link to. I can choose from any page in the site, and I can also link directly to some of the data items, like the blog. I'll select my blog and then save and publish the changes just like before. Now we can go back out to the site and reload the home page. And here you can see the new link. And when a customer clicks it, they're taken directly to our blog. When you're finished editing, you can go right back to the admin console or log out straight from here. Now that should be enough to get you started changing your site content using the in-context editing feature. In our next video, we'll go through how to manage your online store.